Hello, we're going to do an unboxing. We have a package here. That's the way it arrived. Cotty wants cookies. Give Cotty cookies before we unbox this. Here you go. Distract her with cookies. Yeah, I've been wanting to do my flux and solder paste pneumatically, so I picked one of these up. So I just gave away what's in there. So these are pneumatic controllers for dispensing. I got two of them, one for flux, one for solder paste. Made in USA, manufacturing date 2011. I submitted an offer, took a gamble. They might work, they might not work. We're gonna power them up here. I think I have a 24 volt supply here. Yes, that is 24 volts. Center positive 24 volts. Center positive 24 volts. I think that one powers up. What's PER 799.99? Oh, and that one's dead. Darn it. Thought we were going to get two. So, looks like that one's going to be a fix. That one, boots. So, 1 to 2. These were sold for parts repair. So, looks like I'll be fixing that one. So, we will see what happens. We'll catch y'all later. Oh, let's feed Cotty. Yeah, it'd be nice being able to just hit a button and dispense flux and solder paste versus having to hit the plunger. So, 1/4 flux, 1/4 paste. I could have just used a splitter, but there's not too much to these, so we'll figure it out. So, we'll catch y'all later.